we get a 60 degrees there. When we add up all the three, we get 180. Now, we're talking about 30, 60. So we can split this one in half. So now what we have is a 30 here and another 30 there. Now we have right angles there. Okay? Then after that, we are going to say, we'll start with 30. What is sine 30? Remember, we still maintain and we can still find the sides, right? So we have one there, which is giving us 2. Then that means these sides are 2, 2. What about the height here? We can find it by Pythagoras theorem. So what we do is we're going to say our hypotenuse is 2 squared is equal to 1 squared plus the h squared height. All right. Then we group the like terms. So we have 2 squared plus 1 minus 1 squared is equal to h squared. Then 2 squared is 4, minus 1 squared is 1, is equal to h squared. 4 minus 1 is 3, is equal to h squared. So if we square root both sides, we are going to get that our height is equal to root 3. So what we have here is root 3. Okay, so in our country, we teach this topic in grade 11. So I don't know about your country, but we normally teach this in grade 11, which is equally examined at grade 12. It's examinable at grade 12. All right, so after that, we now use the 3 trigonometric ratios for sine 30 and sine 60. So we'll start with 30. Sine 30, what are we getting? Let me pick this, or let me pick that one, because the first one picked it. Okay, so it will be, our opposite is 1, and our hypotenuse is 2. So sine 30 is 1 over 2. The same thing if we picked this one. Our opposite is 1 over our hypotenuse, which is 2. Then what about cos 30? Our cos 30, we are talking about the adjacent over hypotenuse. Huh? So our adjacent, all right, if we pick this one, our adjacent is that one. So it will be root 3 over our hypotenuse, which is 2. So for sine 30, it's half. Then for cos 30 is root 3 over 2. What about the tan? Tan 30, for tangent, we are talking about the opposite and adjacent. So it will be 1 over root 3. So these are the special angles, all right, for sine 30 or for 30 degrees. How about 60? So sine 60 degrees, we pick this one. So our opposite is that one, our hypotenuse is that, adjacent is that. So opposite over hypotenuse, we have root 3 over 2. So you get to see that our cos 30 and sine 30 and sine 60 are equal. Cos 30 and sine 60 are equal. What about cos 60? So for cos, it's adjacent over hypotenuse, so it will be 1 over 2. Again, this and this sine 30 are equal. Sine 30 and cos 60 are equal. Then we end with our tan 60, which is opposite over adjacent. So our opposite is root 3 over adjacent, which is 1. So it will be root 3 over 1, which is just root 3. And those are special angles.